Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. Just for reference, the camera retails for around $800 in Canadian. And upon unboxing you'll find registration papers for your camera and a Canon manual for it. So I would highly recommend that if you're interested in this camera to jump on it if there's ever a sale, because these are one of the few cameras that rarely go on sale and the product speaks for itself. She's powerful, dynamic, lightweight, and convenient to carry around, so really it's the perfect camera for me. So conveniently the G7X comes with a wrist strap. It also comes with a battery with a little bit of juice in it so you can start testing it out. And finally, of course, a charger. So other than finally unboxing this beautiful camera, the first thing I wanted to do was to test it out. So we're going to take this battery, hopefully it's more than enough charged, and we're going to try sticking her in. So the battery comes with an indicator arrow telling you which direction to push in. You'll hear a little click once it's securely latched on, and when you close it, just remember to swipe the latch. So now that the battery is in, I'm finally ready to turn on the camera for the first time. So here's me angling the camera in the best way possible. That way when we turn it on, we can see the beautiful lens. And this is me admiring how perfectly it fits in my hand, how beautiful she is, and just overall being very excited. Then I realized that I didn't have a memory card, so I went to go grab one, and in the meantime, enjoy these flowers. So this took me a minute to figure out. Once you find your SD card, it is in the same place as the battery, so it's really easy. Just follow the same steps. Now I'm sure you guys have noticed that in most of my intros, I can't seem to tell if I'm in focus, if I'm out of frame. So a big selling point for the G7X was the 180-degree swiveling display that lets me easily see if I'm in focus or in view, which is also LCD touchscreen. Then it also comes with a very accessible and easy flash right over here. Not only does the LCD touchscreen just rotate 180, but you can also pull it back if that's something that you need to do. So I personally wanted to add some footage so you guys can hear the new audio and video, but as you'll see, the dogs had other things in mind. Yeah. So please just enjoy these raw, unedited, uncolored video clips that I was able to film that day, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! So it's 9 a.m. the next morning. This dog never sleeps. You can literally still hear him as I'm recording this voice clip, barking.